A voicemail from Flint?
Oh, I better call Jason. Crap. He never answers his phone. It went right to voicemail. Hey, Jason. Hey, man. When you get my voicemail, if you see it on your phone or whatever, please listen to it right away. Bobby Ray just called me. Wanted to borrow my skid steer. He's got quite the nerve. He doesn't even have his own place. I don't know why he's wanting to borrow it. But obviously, that's not a good idea. I told him I had it loaned out to you guys. I don't think he knows where you guys live. He does know that he's somewhere in between us. So doubtful, but if he shows up and says he's there to pick up my skid steer or anything, along that lines, he's there to help out with me or do anything, man, don't listen to him. I'll be over tonight to get the skid steer. If you can just make sure you got it put up somewhere where he can't get to it, I'd appreciate it, man. Okay, thanks. Bye.
Dwight and Stan. There's my people. Good morning. Hi.
I like animals.
You like animals? Oh, good. I'm glad you do.
Do you know where we're going?
It's on the wheel.
We got to go get Dada's skid steer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Uncle Bobby can't get to it before us. Yeah.
Exactly.
I bet
You know that name.
you and Uncle Bobby could get in some trouble. Huh? Yeah. Don't listen to anything Uncle Bobby tells you. Okay?
I don't know seen animals.
Oh.
No animals.
Well, they're back there.
Okay. On the road. Okay, so on our way to the Crockers, I called Jason and left him a message saying don't let Bobby Ray pick up the skid steer. Of course, Jason didn't answer like usual, so I don't know if he'll get my message or not.
Well,
Jason,
he doesn't have a good cell signal, I think, out there.
whatever, stick up for him, but
Well,
I think he avoids my calls.
oh, whatever.
But anyway, I told him I'd be over there tonight to get the skid steer, but
Okay.
I do not trust that he'll get my message in time in case my dumb brother shows up over there. So that's where we're going. We're heading over now.
Okay. It's hard telling with Bobby Ray what he's
Story of
doing.
my life. Story of my life. Bobby Ray can wreck anything. I had a big plan today to get a bunch done around the property, and here we are, mid-morning,
Yep.
changing our plans because of him. So I'm used to it. I shouldn't get mad anymore. It's been this way since we were kids. So anyway, on our way to the Crockers. Come and take it. Think I will. Get me a cold beer. Lightweight, Jason.
doing? Hey, this is my pond.
Well, Spitfire, I get to meet a celebrity.
Yeah, I don't think I want to shake that hand.
Jason Crockett.
Hey, no trespassing, my man.
I didn't see a sign, man.
Well, you should just know that.
Hey, and I'm not here trespassing. I'm here to pick something up. First of all,
It ain't gonna be a woman.
Danielle not around?
Nope.
No?
No luck,
She at
lucky
work?
her. Yeah, she doesn't need to be anywhere near you.
I guess I'm in the wrong place.
You
then,
are.
ain't I?
Yeah, you are.
Spitfire.
So
well,
what are you doing?
well, first of all, I was going to fill up this sewage lagoon you dug out.
All right, well keep going.
Okay. Will do. I'll be back.
Yeah,
I'll get
okay.
it filled for you.
All right.
Hey, Flint said he can't get over to get the skid steer today.
Flint said that?
Yeah. So he wanted me to swing by. I'll pick it up.
Flint wants you to pick it up.
Yeah, I'll just drive it back over there, man.
So you came walking up on my property, peeing in my pond, and you want me to expect that Flint wants you to take it back?
Hey, it took me a while to figure out where you're at, man.
Mhm.
I figured it out though.
You've been checking out those other channels, huh? Telling you where it is?
On me too or YouTube?
Yeah, me too. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well, anyway, let's not belabor this. I need to pick up the skid steer.
All right. If you said that's what Flint's supposed to do,
That's what, yeah. He was
All right.
supposed to call you, man, but
Well.
I don't know.
don't get good service out here. So you got to give me a gentleman's agreement that that's what he said.
You bet.
All right. I'm
going
trusting
to
you.
Head out in it then.
All right.
Okay.
Be
Hey,
careful.
Hey,
Don't dent it up.
before I go, I need you to.
I need you to put a shirt on.
Well, I need an autograph from you.
All right.
I don't have any paper though.
Yeah, I'll sign it on there. Put a little heart.
Spitfire. Getting all the ladies now.
Yeah. I know it ain't gonna come off because you never shower.
That's okay. Maybe I'll get it tattooed. Who's your tattoo artist?
You can't even afford them.
Huh?
You can't afford them.
Huh?
You need to go to the dentist.
Yeah, maybe so.
All right, go ahead and take it.
Okay.
Get on out of here.
Well, I'm gonna grab it.
All
We'll
right.
get out of here.
All right.
I take that with me too. That Crockett guy. So gullible. Woo! It's hot in here. Okay. Hey, how's my truck look?
It looks great.
It looks spick and span, doesn't it?
Yep.
So I was hoping I could wait until after we got a little rain to go pick up my skid steer. Since we just got my truck cleaned the first time in what, over a year?
Yeah, for sure.
I think we could have grown crops on the floor of this thing.
Yeah.
But here we go. gonna have to go pick it up and get my truck dirty again. Thank you very much, brother.
A voicemail from Flint.
Hey man, did you get my message?
Yeah, about that.